What is construction law? At its core, construction law really starts with the design and/or construction contract, which really lays the foundation for what the relationship of the parties are going to be. And it's really important to really capture everything with enough detail in the scope of work that we all know we're on the same page, but also enough flexibility to deal with the things that come up during a project. And we want to make sure that the contract addresses what's going to happen when we need a change, right? We need to address what's going to happen at the end when we want to make sure everything's just right. And we also want to address the things that unfortunately can come up, like disputes at the end. And what kind of world are we going to live in? Are we going to go to mediation? Are we going to go to arbitration? Will the winning party be able to recover their attorney's fees? Great contract can't always avoid all the disputes in the world, but what it can do is set the rules for where we're all going to operate when a dispute does arise. One of the things I love about Cobb Cole is that construction law, while very specific regarding construction projects, before the project, there's acquisition of property, there's land use and zoning changes. Afterwards, people may want to sell or refinance. And Cobb Cole has a really broad and diverse experience with a lot of attorneys that are specialists in their area. And so it may be that one attorney doesn't have the specific expertise to take a project from acquisition to sale and design and construction in between, but we have a team that can address all those needs with a really good degree of professionalism. Unfortunately, not everybody comes to us before they sign a contract for construction. And so what we can do when a project maybe goes a little bit sideways is we can work with the party, whether it's the contractor, a subcontractor, a property owner, and say, hey, where are you at in this process? What's going on? What are your concerns? And let's find a way to get everybody back on the same page and get this project finished.